Hello guys, welcome back to another video of HTML course. So we were talking about the HTML attributes. So in my last video we were talking about that you need to mention the attributes inside the quotation marks. So now we can say that or the best practice is to use double quotation or you can also use a single quotations. There is no difference in between them. So let's try it out. Here you can see that anything that you will mention inside single quote will be displayed as it is. That's the example here. So the same on the next thing. Only the outside curly brace quotation mark will be counted. So let me remove it. Run. Here you can see that. So so in this example, um, you can see that you can mention double quotations inside the quotation marks, but it will be counted as the plain text. So here is the summary. In the HTML, elements can have attributes. We also talk about the href attribute of which is specifically used for a URL or for a link purpose. The source attribute is used inside an image. Uh, image element, or we can also specify the width and height attributes to the image tag, and the all tag is also the attribute of image. Now we also learn about the style to use the css inside the style tag, a style attribute. We also talk about the language attribute, which is defined inside the html tag. We also talk about the title attribute. So the best thing about this website is that you can exercise the lessons which you have learned. So I will recommend you to go through them and practice your code through these exercises. So let's go to the next thing. HTML headings. We already talked about these headings in my previous videos. H1 is used for the most bigger in size headings, or the main headings. These heading tags are very much important for the search engine optimization purpose of any web page, so don't forget them. uh, um, it will be little bit off from html course, but let's talk about it. Heading 1 should be once in any web page. It tells the crawler or the search engine that this page is about this keyword, or your heading should be covering the keyword regarding that page. So then the heading 2, heading 3, uh, till the heading 6. So these are the examples. Headings are important. The same thing, search engines use the heading to index the structure and content of your web pages. We already talked about this. Use HTML headings for headings only. Don't use headings to make text big or bold. Got it? So H1, you can also use the attribute of style for heading styling, or to make its size different. Let's try it out. This is the heading 1. Let me make it smaller. Got it? Let me make it very much bigger. It's actually